10 things to focus on yourself. When was the last time you stopped to think about your needs and wants? There is nothing wrong with putting energy into relationships with loved ones or turning your attention to finding a romantic partner or a new friend. People need love, intimacy and companionship, so you are focusing on yourself as you pursue those needs. It is also quite safe to say that if you never stop to consider others, your relationships are unlikely to prosper. At the same time, abandon your own dreams and desires. A life lived exclusively in pursuit of the happiness of others may not bring you much personal joy. Over time, you can start to feel exhausted, even a little lost. Dedicating yourself time makes you gain energy, gain clarity and find more sense to do things with more joy. Dedicating yourself time will help you feel better, which is indispensable to be and give the best to others. Focusing on yourself is not selfish. It is an act of self-love. But when you are in the habit of focusing on others, it can be difficult to change gears. These 10 tips can help. 1. Take the time to remember that your needs are important. If your needs are not a priority for you, they will not be for anyone else. You need to understand these needs and actively seek a way to meet them. 2. Assess which aspects of your life are causing stress and consider how valuable they are to you. Ask yourself if this is really important and if it is worth the negative consequences. You should also understand if the stress is caused by your own attitude, and if so, look for a way to change things. In any case, look for a way to control stress, so that it does not negatively influence your actions and others. 3. Make sure you have time for yourself every day, to be relaxed, doing just what you want. It is easy to forget your needs when you are stuck with action and noise every day, when there is always something demanding your presence. But you need a moment to breathe without all that pressure being present. 4. Stop blaming yourself for taking care of yourself. And, for a start, don't give explanations. You don't have to give explanations, you don't have to justify yourself. If someone does not understand, the problem is not yours, unless you get into the game of others. 5. Recognize and appreciate people who are positive and cheerful in your life, and show commitment to them. These people will help you find yourself and support you in the process of personal growth that you need constantly. 6. Cultivate the ability to understand the difference between what you can change and what you can't, and learn to let go of the things you can't. Each day you will find something new that you like and something that can change for the better. 7. Embrace your emotions and do not deny the possibility of suffering. Do not repress the pain as if, thus, all the problems would disappear. Suppressing the way you feel about a situation only destroys your happiness. You must accept and understand your emotions and feelings. 8. Take the time to do the things that make you feel better about yourself, that make you feel safer and stronger, that make you remember how important you are. Exercise, take care of your body, take time to read, eat well, get enough sleep. 9. Understand that you have the right to take care of yourself, although it is essential for others. Understand this, and also understand that the better you are, the more useful it will be for others. 10. Don't forget that there are only 3 things in life that you can control: what you think, what you say and what you do. Assume that and act with awareness. Don't let yourself be controlled like a puppet, and be aware of what you do and why you do it. The idea of focusing on yourself is not as self-centered as it sounds. In fact, it is one of the best things you can do for your well-being. If you struggle to give yourself the attention you deserve, a therapist can offer guidance by turning your focus inward and helping you explore more strategies for self-care. If you liked this video, give it thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe this video.